Hello guys! Good morning! And you can see the weather is very British, very English weather. It's gloomy. It's Saturday, November 2. It's November 2 today, November 2, and we are heading down to the seaside in Lowestoft for a camping. Yes, guys, camping in November. So, I know it's not very common to go camping at this time of the year, but yeah, it's just so happened that this is the availability of our choir family here in Suffolk, and then so yeah, we have decided to go camping. This is actually the second day of the camp. They have already spent the night there at the Hollies, but Arnold and I were on shift. We were working yesterday, that's why we are only going to meet them today. And then tomorrow, Sunday, November 3, we are all going back home. Yun lang, just an overnight camp, and we will show you and take you with us at this camp. Yun lang. So guys, quick stopover because we need to charge our car. We are here at Idel in Beckles, and Arnold's just trying to set up the payment so we can start charging our car. So it's not very advisable to get an electric vehicle if you're planning to go on like long journeys. Kasi for example, our car, we are driving Nissan Leaf, and ayun, very limited. But we're thinking of getting another car once I pass my driving test. We're getting another car na medyo mas malayo yung reach para hindi kami nahihirapan. So yun lang, this is the first stop of the day. After this, diretso na kami sa camping. Baka mag toilet break muna kami dito sa Lidl. Yay! We're here! We finally arrived. We haven't pitched our tent yet, pero mamaya nakakain muna kami with the Filipino group. Hi! Good morning!
May muta-muta pa kami.
At
Pa kami naliligo.
natatanggal ba yan?
Maaga kami nagising kasi
Wala! May dala kayong tent? Sige, wag na lang. May mga karton ba kayo? Good morning!
morning.
Sige pa.
Ang galing.
Wow! Hindi nagpapatalo sila ni Manayan, no? Wow! Wow! Ang papayat nyo na.
Yun na. Tulong-tulong sa paglalagay ng tent namin. Thank you, Ate Joanna and Kuya Manny, for lending us this tent. Next year, bibili na kami. Ang mga tita natin, nagko-quality control sila ng tent namin. Okay na ba, engineer?
Ating ginawa
Okay na ba?
hapon habang ginagawa namin.
Mga ilang oras.
Yan, no? Okay lang.
Masaya ka ba dyan, Beb?
Ito, para hindi siya mapatin.
Maglagay ka na ng mga gamit.
Tanggalin na to.
Alright, tent tour. Ang simple lang ng tent namin kasi we're just gonna be here for one night. It's orange and white and blue, and yeah. Kaya Ate Joanna and Kuya Manny, thank you for lending us your tent. Yan lang. Bed, sleeping bags. Nakalimutan namin magdala ng unan. So ako lang yung may unan. Si Arnold walang unan mamaya. We'll see. Tapos, yun lang. Let's see kung ano activities namin for today. So they have a washing up area next to the playground. Tapos caravan pitches. May ano dito, tangke ng propane. Tapos ito naman yung banyo ng mga lalaki. On the other side, banyo ng mga babae. And then there are the pitches. Explore muna natin ang mga kapitbahay. Ate, what are you cooking?
Tapa.
Papa. Here's Ate Joanna. Ate, dito naman tayo sa ano, kala Ate Libby. What are you cooking?
Ling.
A laying.
Oh, ling. Nalaglag ang ling.
Laying. Laying beside you here in the dark. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Anong menu nyo for this lunch?
For lunch, kayo yun.
Oh yes, meron na. Kayo po.
Ano,
Lagyan mo
we
ng
have
tit.
pork, ano, 2 kinds of adobs.
2 kinds of adobo.
Yeah.
Luto at hindi luto.
Yes. Wala pa.
Kamusta naman kayo dyan? Parang yung panel of judges.
Oo nga eh, di ba? Oh, parang nagko-compliment pa yung kulay
Di ba?
natin.
Bongga. Here's Ate Lani.
Hello. Wala pang
Dito
dito.
naman tayo sa kabila. Dito naman tayo kay Kuya Rafi,
Eh, tara, lakad na
Kuya
tayo.
Don,
Bukas.
si Ate G, at ang may pa-camping, ang birthday celebrator.
Hi, hi.
May sweets pala. Mamaya po, di pa nainom ng gamot.
Ako din eh.
Dito naman tayo kala Ate Joy at saka kay Doc Gary. Kamusta naman kayo dyan?
Okay lang.
Anong menu? Grabe, luto na.
Invisible beef steak.
Wala pa. Dito naman tayo sa naka-salad master. So siya may salad master. Sana all.
Salad
Ang social naman ate. Ano bang menu for today? Munggo ni Kuya Alvin. Hi guys! So we are now heading to the beach! It's gonna be a 30-minute walk apparently. Pero it might be 40 dahil ang bagal maglakad ito kasama natin.
Yung mga bata.
Hindi. Ayan, ang mga tita natin ay kasunod na natin. Apologies kung medyo mahangin. Hindi ko control ang panahon. Yun lang, we'll let you... we will take you with us papuntang beach. Saan na daw to? Seaside Tea. Athena Marie. Ops, bawal bilisan. 5 miles lang dito. Bawal bilisan. Ang layo pa nung beach. It's just there ba? Malapit lang pala. We're now approaching the beach. Ayan, parang low tide. Low tide yata. Ay, ang unang game natin ay tulakan. Tina, are you having a great day? Maybe you are, but your moms are not having a great day. You keep hugging them. Kanina pa kami naglalakad at hindi pa rin ito yung dagat. Although dumadami na yung bato, hindi pa rin ito yung dagat. And after 10 minutes, the sea! Everyone, meron akong something. Anyway, we're going back to the camp now. We've finished taking photos at the beach and it's gonna be another maybe 10-15 minutes walk going back to the camp. So Yun lang, maybe lunchtime na yung kasunod.
Yan.
Wow!
Yan, ang ating ginisang munggo.
In
Kaya
English,
maamoy na po ang aroma ng sibuyas.
what is it in English?
This is what you call onion.
No, the ulam, what it's
The
called.
ulam
What
is what you call
Sauteed.
sauteed mung beans with pork. Okay?
Videographer.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday. Wrong melody, sorry. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, Titas, let's go. Let's go.
Thank you! Konsamidi!
So, ito na ang food natin for tonight. At Libby and her Ling.
Ling.
Lying beside you. And Ate Penny and Kuya. Good morning. Where are you? Day 2. And last day, we are just oh my gosh, getting ready. And yeah, breakfast is at 8. I think it's just about to be 7 o'clock in the morning. Yun lang. Morning. Wala pang mga gising. Kami pa lang. Where are the others? Here are our food from last night. Early morning. She wakes up and she wash her private parts with water. Good morning. Good morning. Early risers.
Sige, mauna ka. Para tulungan mo kami pagkatapos.
Tingnan natin ang menu.
Binigay mo naman sa akin na.
Wow. Sa bagoong fried rice. Kuya Jel, Ate Penny, good morning. Dinuguan. Sold out na yung dinuguan.
Apple daw. Gusto ko apple. Kailan?
Mga 10 seconds lang. Oh, play. Chuchu.
Hello. The Ninang.
Chuchu.
Or Ninang.
Morning! And we are heading home now. Magmi-meet lang halfway para mag-bathroom break. Halfway from here hanggang sa bahay. Back to our hometown. And we're just gonna meet halfway. Again, parang just regroup halfway for bathroom break and then for a quick recharge, top up ng battery namin. Yan lang. Did you miss me? Huh? Sama ka na sa susunod? Hmm?